Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today let's see how to make a high protein, fiber rich, soft, spongy idlis made with green moong and urad dal. For making this healthy idli, here I have taken 1 cup of moong dal. This is moong dal which has got the skin in it. See? And it is broken too. If you have this, it is better. Otherwise, you can use your regular moong dal, yellow moong dal also. This having this green peel on gives more fiber. To this, add 1 cup of whole urad dal. This also, if you want to take the one with the peel, that's also okay. And 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now we'll wash everything well together and allow it to soak for minimum 3 hours. We have washed all the ingredients. Now just add sufficient water to cover the dals and keep it aside to soak for 3 hours. It is 3 hours now. See? The dals and methi, everything has soaked well. Now we'll add it into our blender jar and grind everything together into a smooth batter. Add only just enough water for grinding it. You can use the same water in which it was soaked for grinding the dals. See, we have ground it into a smooth batter. Now, we will remove it into a bowl. Add the required quantity of salt to this and mix it well. Take a large enough bowl so that there is sufficient space for the batter to rise. Now we will just leave it overnight for the batter to ferment. See, I had soaked the batter at 1:30 yesterday afternoon. After 3 hours at 4:30 I ground it and see how well it has risen. We left it to ferment overnight. So actually when I got up around 4 in the morning, I saw that it had risen so well and I just put it into the fridge so that we can make it for breakfast in the morning. So we'll just give it a good mix. You can see how well it has fermented. The batter is now ready to be steamed. But before this, I will make a special idli podi using flax seeds. So then we can have steaming hot idlis along with the podi. So for this, I have taken half cup of flax seeds. Flax seeds are very good for your weight management too. And full of fiber, so good for managing your sugar levels also. First we'll dry roast the flax seeds. When they start spluttering well and are well roasted, remove it onto a plate. In the same pan, dry roast half cup of Channa dal. Roast all these ingredients only on a low to medium flame till they are well done. If you are a beginner, just take 1 dal and taste it. It should be crunchy. Now remove this also onto the plate. Next, 1/4 cup of urad dal. Dry roast this also similarly till it changes color and becomes crunchy. See, the dals have also started getting a reddish brown color and it is well roasted. Remove this too. This is 1/4 cup of horse gram, also known as kulti, I think in Hindi. This again is very good for high fiber and very good both for weight management and for diabetics too. Dry roast this also. This is also known as Kollu in Tamil. See, this is also well roasted now. Take it out. This is 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. You can use white or black, whichever one you have. That is til. Dry roast that too. Next, you can take about 4 or 5 sprigs of curry leaves, washed it well, dry roast them also. Remember, we don't have to go far for improving our health. Everything is available in our kitchen itself. Just a little bit of effort and you're on your way to good health. Wait till the curry leaves become dry and crispy, then remove that also onto the plate. Finally, I am just adding a drop of oil to fry the red chilies. I am taking about 5 dry red chilies, the spicy ones, and 2 of these Bydagi or Kashmiri chilies for the color. When you add oil, you don't start coughing so much as when you just dry roast the chilies. So, roast these also well. Add the chilies also to the plate and allow everything to cool down to room temperature. Then we can blend it into a powder. In your blender jar, first add the chilies to it and we'll grind it. I have already removed the stem from the Guntur chilies. Now from this also we'll remove the stem. We'll grind this to a powder, then we'll add the other ingredients. Now add all the remaining ingredients. Along with this, add about 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, that is turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Add salt to taste. Now dry grind everything to a slightly coarse powder. We have ground it. See the consistency, slightly coarse. Now take it out into a bowl. I have not made it very spicy. If you want it more spicy, you can increase the chilies, another 1 or 2 chilies. I have intentionally kept it like this because we can use this as a multi-purpose podi, not only for idli, dosa. Even if you want to mix it with hot rice, you can mix it and eat. Or you can just sprinkle it over your curries, veg, dry sabjis or sambar, or even just over a little bit of a bowl of curd. This way you are easily able to add on your flax seeds and horse gram and other good ingredients and increase your fiber in your daily meal. You can store this healthy idli podi which has the goodness of flax seeds, horse gram and turmeric, curry leaves, all the good ingredients. Store it in a clean dry jar. You can keep it on the countertop itself. It will stay good for 3 months definitely. We are ready to steam our idlis now. I kept some water for boiling. Now place the greased idli stand here and pour out the idli batter. Cover it and steam it for. It is about 10 minutes now. Let's check our idlis. Wow, lovely spongy idlis, and we can just see it is well cooked. Now we can switch it off. Just sprinkle some water over it. Dip a spoon in water. See, the mold is also clean. It is not sticking at all. Can you see that? Lovely, spongy, steaming hot idlis. Let me take out one idli and show you how soft and spongy it is. I have got this light greenish color because we have used the moong dal with the chilka, that is with the skin on it. If you use the yellow moong dal, you might get a slightly better color, but this is definitely more nutritious. We are now ready to serve our soft, spongy, protein and fiber rich idlis with our homemade flaxseed idli podi. Thank you for watching this video. Having these moong and urad idlis is a great way to include fiber in your diet, and also it includes protein, and it has a low glycemic index too. Very good for Weight Watchers also, and especially good for diabetics too. Everyone can have it, simple to make in the morning. And this flaxseed podi, as I told you, use it with idli, dosa. Just spread it with a little bit ghee on your chapati. Have it with steaming hot rice. It tastes just great, and you love the crunchy bite to it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.